Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
So guys, as usual, let's take a look in the gold market. As you can see on Friday, this was the point where lots of different factors coincided, mostly fundamental, that has put some pressure on the United States dollar, and as a result, as you can see, as the gold market, as in the Forex market, we saw significant rally to the upside. In result, as you can see on the daily chart, just actually was shy reaction on this resistance on the target. As you can see, minor bounce only has happened here, and market has continued to move higher. So, although thrust up is really good and it still stands good and is suitable for Napoli patterns, but unfortunately on that consolidation we haven't got any pattern. We didn't have the brand body trade, and we didn't have that double repo sell as well. So market just has moved higher. In that circumstances, the only thing that we could do is just keep an eye on the next target possible, and this target will be around 1350 area, around this previous top. Actually, based on the major ABCD pattern, we do not have any other targets because OP target stands already around 1390. And it stands beyond the daily overbought. That's why it's not really interesting for us on the coming week. Meantime, as we have estimated in our weekly research, we have the pattern that suggests the taking out of this top. This is monthly bullish grabber. But here we have rather tricky moment. This target stands around previous tops, and we know that the gold market likes to just wash out the previous tops and grabbing the stops that have been placed above it. But at the same time, market is coming to daily overbought. It means that it will be not so easy for a market just break this top and continue move higher. It's very probable that around 1350 areas will be some stop, maybe some wash and rinse, or maybe minor retracement here could happen after this area will be reached by the market. That actually will be our next destination point for a coming week. What other targets we have? The only extension that we have here, guys, is the ultimate 1618 extension of the whole butterfly action. From this top to this bottom, as you can see, the butterfly actually was the triggering pattern for this rally. Here it has reached 127 extension retracement. Now it's coming to the 1349 for 1350. That stands very close to the previous tops. This will be next destination point. On the intraday charts, guys, we also do not have a lot of tools for analysis. So here we have mostly the trend line and pivot points. So you can see weekly pivot resistance 1 also stands around 1349, 1350. This will be another resistance. While this trend line is valid, this market stands above it, here probably the major scenario that we will follow in the coming week will be searching for bullish continuation patterns on the intraday charts while market hasn't reached 1350, with the target around 1349, 1350 area. So exit around 1350, because keeping position through the 1350, it will be a bit difficult due to the resistance that we have just discussed on the daily chart. It's very probable, odds suggest that the bounce could happen, and it's better to close any longs that you have, if you have any, around 1350 area. On the hourly chart, we have some kind of rectangle that has been formed recently. As you can see, very clear level that has been tested multiple times. So first it was resistance, now it has become the support. Here, guys, this drop, by the way, was due to our 1330 target. So that was reaction. Well, it was sufficient to move stops to the break-even, guys. But unfortunately, it hasn't led to any meaningful result. So yes, reaction on this level has happened. That's by the way, why we're usually trying to use strong levels, because if even you're wrong and if market later continues move higher, some technical reaction should fall, and that should be enough to move your stops to the break-even. That has happened. Actually, that here we was not wrong. This was just fundamental events, fundamental information have appeared in the market that has pushed gold higher. So the target of this rectangle classical, so the width or the height of the rectangle, if you count it to the upside, you will also get approximately 1350 area. So all points on this level. So that being said, on the coming week, the only strategies that actually we have is just keeping an eye on the possible bullish continuation patterns on the hourly chart. This will be maybe some kind of the catalyst triple 2 or something of that sort, with the targeting and watching for 1350, 1349 as the potential target just to close the position. So that's approximately what we could do on the gold market on the coming week.